Have you ever heard people say, learn Python? It has a lot of scope. But what exactly is Python and why is it everywhere nowadays? Is it only for programmers? Is it difficult? And can beginners really learn it? In this video, I will explain what Python is, where is it used, and why you should consider learning it, even if you have never written a single line of code before. What is Python? Python is a programming language used to communicate with computers. A programming language is simply a way for humans to give instructions to a machine. Just like we use English or Hindi to talk with each other, we use programming languages to talk with computers. With Python, you can tell a computer what to do, what to calculate, and how to solve real world problems. Python was invented in 1991 by Gyodor van Rossum, and today it is one of the most loved programming language in the world. One of the best things about Python is that its syntax looks very similar to the English language, which makes it easy to read, easy to write, and easy to understand also. That's why Python is considered one of the best programming language for the beginners. Where is Python used? Python is used almost everywhere in today's digital world, even if you don't realize it. Popular apps and websites like Instagram, YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, and even Google use Python in different parts of their systems. Python is widely used in powerful fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and robotics, etc. It is also used in automation, where it helps people save hours of work by doing boring, repetitive tasks automatically. From simple calculator to powerful self-driving car software, Python plays a big role in modern technology. So, why is Python everywhere and why do so many people love it? First, Python is very easy to learn compared to most other programming languages, which makes it perfect for beginners and career switchers. Second, Python has one of the largest and most active communities in the world, which means you can easily find tutorials, answers, sample codes, and support whenever you feel stuck. Third, Python has thousands of powerful libraries and tools that help developers build websites, apps, games, and AI models which faster without starting from scratch. Another big reason is that Python works on almost every platform like Windows, Mac, and Linux. Because of all these reasons, big companies trust Python to build reliable, secure, and scalable applications that are used by millions of people every day. Who should learn Python? Python is not only for computer science students or technical people. If you are a school student, a college student, a working professional, or someone who wants to change careers, Python can open many new opportunities for you. Even if you come from a non-technical background, you can still learn Python and build amazing things with it. You don't need to be a math genius, and you don't need to be own an expensive or powerful laptop to start learning Python. Many successful programmers actually started with very basic laptops and zero experience in coding. All you really need is curiosity, consistency, and willingness to practice every single day. If you can give just 30 minutes a day, you can slowly build real skills and real confidence in programming. Now you clearly understand what Python is and why is it everywhere. In this video helped you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. In the next video, I will show you step by step how to install Python and how to write your very first Python program. Thank you.